Good morning, people. Welcome again to this documentation. We're doing a documentation on the flowering of a banana, Cavendish banana flower. And we've been doing the process, watching over the banana, how it unfolds, the flowering unfolds every day. Now this is the day 5, and you can see the flower points completely down. I'm now taking a lateral view, and you can see the flag leaf completely left behind, opened up and left this heart. You can see this, the one pointing down is the flower, and you can see that there is this flap here which is opening up to reveal some bananas. We have this other one here is going to open up soon. It's already peeling off. As you can see, it folds up by itself. That is one of the wonders of nature. You see, it's folding up to reveal the babies, the banana fingers, and each flap always covers one hand of a banana, which may composed of up to 15 to 20 fingers of bananas. So this one leaf here, which is opening up, will reveal a whole hand with 15 to 20 bananas. So we may have up to 7, 8, 9, 10, even up to 13 of these leaves opening up and revealing a banana hand. This is the 5th day, and that is what we have for today. And thank you for watching. Thank you for coming up. Thank you for coming over, and thank you for going this interesting natural journey. If you are a plant lover or a nature lover, you will surely love this video. Thank you for watching.